Justice hurts, justice or not. Two children were shot in the head by a cold-blooded killer. They had to testify against him twice, so that even those accused of the most heinous crimes had the right to a second, independent psychiatric examination. That is justice in its cleanest form. No wonder the woman carved above the courthouse keeps her eyes covered for what comes next. The law often hurts those it claims to protect. The question of just or not ultimately falls to the 9 women and men on a Supreme Court. I keep thinking back to the hard lesson taught by the murderer Glenn Burtnake. In 1979, he brutally murdered a preacher, his wife, and family, all except a young son and daughter. The crime wasn't in doubt. The children were shot in the head. They survived long enough to testify against their attacker, not once, but twice. Watching that second trial was brutal. Still, the court expanded rights, not because the defendant was sympathetic, but because the process mattered. That was the old direction of pain. Suffering exposed failure, and the law widened to meet it. Today, the direction is reversed. That turn now falls most predictably on immigrant communities, often marked first by how they look or sound. Rights narrow, harm is absorbed, pain is treated as necessity rather than evidence. Justice becomes a weapon for the powerful, not a scale to be balanced. The law still changes, but the lesson it's learning is different. History will notice the difference, even if we pretend not to.